I mean, just thinking back to your 2007 comparison, we're mimicking a lot of chart behavior from
That's
back
right.
then. In those massive corrections, everything gets sold, no safe harbor. What's your position?
So when there's panic, there's no doubt about it. If we look at 08, 09, gold sold and then it went higher. But again, what's interesting here is that if we look at gold, it was in an uptrend going into 08, 09, right? And then it fell because there was panic, right? So gold pulled back about 30%. I mean, that's a big pullback. But if that were to replicate, but then be inside of the bigger move up like this, I mean, that's okay, right? I mean, here's a 410% move from the low in 04 to the highs in 2011 with a big 30% correction to buy the dip essentially in between. And I think everyone should have some gold in their holdings, just being a diversified investor, but it's all about buying these pullbacks because ultimately the central banks are buying crazy amounts of gold and they're the ones that know what the ultimate outcome of what's going on is going to be, which is more printing.